As I continue on this intermittent fasting journey, one of the things I've become quite fond of is cashew cream. Cashew cream is a wonderful dairy-free alternative, and it gives you the richness that you crave in a variety of dishes. I use it in soup. I use it in salads. I use it in casseroles. I use it in vegan lasagna. There is no reason to spend nearly $10 in the store on vegan ricotta / cashew cream when you can make it yourself. Stick around and I'll show you how to make a delicious cashew cream. The basic cashew cream recipe is really quite simple. You have to think about it a day in advance. You're going to take 1 cup of raw cashews and place those in a mason jar. Cover with 2 cups of spring water. Put a top on it. Put it somewhere in your kitchen just to sit overnight. I have some that I prepared yesterday, so you'll notice that they're all swelled. So we're gonna just drain this liquid and rinse it real quick. Pour those soaked cashews into your little mini chopper. To that, we will add 8 garlic cloves and half a medium yellow onion. We'll add in the juice of half a fresh lemon, 1 teaspoon of pink sea salt, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of dillweed, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne powder. We're going to pour in a 1/2 cup of spring water, and we're going to blend this. You need to pulse it a bit. That's perfect. That's perfect, just the way it is. Normally I make it and use it, or use most of it immediately, but you can store it in the refrigerator. I put it in a glass container and store it in the refrigerator for at least a week. I mean, normally mine doesn't last that long because I actually use it a lot as a salad dressing, because it's just wonderful, especially if you have a hearty salad that uses a lot of cabbage, red cabbage and regular white cabbage, as well as julienned carrots and things like that, like a real hearty salad. This works really nicely on those. So, as I said, you store it in the refrigerator and use it as you like. It's wonderful. I'll probably use it in a recipe later on today. Enjoy.